we got some spots coming in here for probably some of the breaks to close out the night. All right, there's only 6 teams left now in Hoops Premium Basketball. Pick your team number 6. 6 teams left. And then the Flawless Full Case Pick Your Team number 6 is currently at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 teams left in Flawless. Okay, what is going on, everybody? Conrad here from UltraBreak.com for Sunday, December 27, 2020. Doing another 6-box break of 2020 Leaf Ultimate Draft Baseball. This is random teams number 9. Let's go random.org to determine your teams. First, we're going to roll the virtual dice to see how many times we randomize. If we roll a snake eyes, it will default to 3 randoms. This break, we will go 5 times, 4, 1, 5. All right, there are 27 spots, 3 combo teams. Your 3 combo teams are White Sox, Dodgers, Phillies, Nationals, and the third combo is D-backs and Astros. 27 spots. Let's go 5 times for your teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's going to be Seattle Mariners to the Indians on the bottom. After 5 randoms, Mariners, Indians. Oh, I should have did 4 on each side. Let me see. Yeah, let me do 4. Let me take out this bar. All right, so yeah, Mariners down to the Indians. Now we're gonna randomize your names 5 times and match it up. We did triple sell the last spot in this one, so 2 people got refunds. Ed, I sent you a PayPal refund. Francis C got the last spot in this break. Francis C. Ed, I sent you a refund, PayPal refund, and then Lance Steve, I sent you a credit card refund, so it should be back in your credit card account within 3 to 4 business days. All right, so Ed got a refund in this break, and Lance Steve got a refund. Triple sold. Francis C got the last spot in the break. We're going to go 5 times for your teams, or for your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5th and final time, like we did for your teams. 5th final time for your names. That's going to be R. Mensch down to Rich H on the bottom, 5 times. All right, here are your teams, everybody. Give you guys 5 minutes to trade, and then we'll rip. 36 autos in the break. Good luck. 5 minutes to trade. And we only trade in the YouTube chat room. If you agree to a trade with somebody in YouTube, both parties have to confirm their confirm the trade by dropping their zip codes in the chat room. And that is how we confirm people. Same zip code that you use when you purchase your spot. All right, and as soon as we finish this break, we'll get into some more Bowman's Best Baseball. Random teams number 4 is after this break. Two for Jason, 2 for Jake, 2 for AYs, 2 for Pete, 2 for Chet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay.